Meaning of erasure.
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 Erasure. Erasure refers to the act of removing, deleting, or eliminating something completely, such as information, memories, or identities. The result of erasure is the absence or loss of the erased entity. In social contexts, erasure can refer to the systematic and deliberate elimination of marginalized groups, communities, or cultures from public consciousness or historical records. The consequences of erasure often include invisibility, disenfranchisement, and erasure of lived experiences and contributions. Erasure can have profound impacts on individuals and society, perpetuating inequality and discrimination.